Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see about the operators in the Python. Okay, so the outline of this video is we are going to give the introduction on the operators and also we are going to see about the arithmetic operator, comparison operator, and logical operator. So in the arithmetic operator, we are going to see about the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, floor, modulus, and exponentiation, right? And in the comparison we going to see about like a equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Logical operator we are seeing about and or not. Okay guys, let's go into the video. So here if you see, I've just created one query. So now I have assigned a equal to 10 and b equal to 5 here. Okay, so just I have created the variable add underscore result, which is equal to a plus b. So the same arithmetic operation I have applied the whole query, right? So for first line is for the addition, and second line is for the subtraction, which is a minus b, and third line is for multiplication, which is a into b, and fourth one for the division, a slash b, and fifth one for floor division, which I will explain you by detailing by below slide. Okay, and also the modulus operation, and we're going to see about exponentation. Okay, exponent. So now I'm just running, I'm executing this cell, right? See here guys, so I'm getting the result for the print add result. What it does, so it is adding 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15, and also 10 minus 5, which is equal to 5. Okay, and 10 into 5, it is 50, and we are dividing 10 divided by 5, we are getting a 2, and also here the floor division we are getting a 2 here, and we are doing the modulus of 10 modulus of 5, we are getting 0. So modulus is nothing but guys, which is divisible by 2. Okay, the thing is you're doing like a divided by 2. Okay, 10 divided by 5, you got it guys. Okay, so now the exponent result is a into b is a kind of like 10 power of 5. Okay, 10 power of 5, like a 10 square, 10 cube, and 10 power of 5. So the 10 is get multiplied into 5. Okay, 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, like a 5 times it get multiplied, so you're getting 1 lakh value here. So what is next? So if you see here, I'm just dividing 10 divided by 5, I'm getting value as a 2.0, right? And also I'm dividing 21 divided by 5, I'm getting 4.2. Now I'm doing the floor division. Okay, 21 divided by 5, same, I'm doing the floor division. If you see here, I'm getting 4. The thing is, if you do the normal division, you will get the decimals. Okay, the float. If you go for the floor division, you will not get the decimals, you will get only the integer. It will not give you float information, right guys? You understand, right? So now you have a good understanding on what is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor, modulus, and exponent, right? Okay, let's go for the next operators, the comparison operators. Comparison operators we have seen equal to, not equal to, and greater than and less than, and less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to, right? Yes. So now we are seeing here equal to. Okay, I'm just assigning a equal to 10 and b equal to 10. Okay, so I'm just checking, did a is equal to b? Yes, true, right? Because a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 10, I'm just checking whether a is equal to b. Yeah, both are same, so I'm getting the output as a true. Okay, now I'm just assigning string 1 is equal to b and string 2 is equal to b. So just I'm checking, yeah, it's true. Now we have checked for integer, a is equal to integer, and also we have checked for the string. You understood guys? And next one we are going for not equal to. Okay, that string 1 is not equal to string 2? No, false, because the both string 1 and string 2 is equal. If you run this, you will get the false information, right? And if you go for the next, string 3 is equal to Abhi and string 4 is equal to Krish. What I have written here, both string 3 and string 4, it is not equal. Okay, if this condition is work, yes, This condition is work. Here this condition is false because both are is equal. Here this condition is true because this both condition is not equal, right? Which I am giving the same condition. And also if it is a not equal to, you need to give this kind of a symbols, guys. One is equal and another is exclamatory. Okay, and you need to go for the greater than. I'm just giving a num1 is equal to 45 and num2 is equal to 55. Did num1 is greater than num2? No. No. Right? The 45 is greater than 55. No. The 45 is less than 55. So you are getting false. Right? And less than. Okay. I'm just checking. Did num1 is less than num2? Yes. You get true. Because the 45 is less than 55. You are getting true here. Right? Now you are checking greater than or equal to. Okay. Greater than or equal to. I'm assigning number 1 is equal to 45 and number 2 is equal to 45. I'm just checking number 1 is greater than or equal to number 2. See guys, here you're using a two operators. Okay, greater than one operator and equal to is one operator. What this condition checks? Did the greater than works? It will give true. Did equal to works? It will give true. Okay, here the 45 is not greater than 45. It is equal to 45, right? So both condition here, if you see greater than and equal to, what Python will do, it will take, yes, I'm just seeing here number 1 is 45 and number 2 is 45. It is equal to 45. This one condition is get passed. So make it as a true, right? Right? And less than or equal to, what I'm doing here, number 1 is equal to 44 and number 2 is equal to 45, right? The number 1 is less than or equal to number 2. Yeah, see here, this number 1 is less than or equal to number 2. Okay, so here if you see here the equal operator is get worked, so it making output as a true. Here the less operator is getting work, so this condition will make true, right? And we go for logical operator. The logical operator is nothing but is and or not. Okay, so let me tell you guys, it's a simple English language only. How you use the and? Okay, either for example, I'm doing work, right? I'm doing the work and also my colleague is doing the work, right? Both work need to get combined. Okay, let's not go for the English terminology. We go for this like in a Python terminology itself, right? Let me not interested to confuse you guys. Okay, so if you see here the logic operators, x equal to true and y equal to true, right? So in the result, I have mentioned x and y. If I print the result, what you will get? Think. What is the answer you will get if I print the result? So x also is true and y also is true. I'm just giving an AND operator in between of x and y. What is my answer? True. Right? For example, instead of true, I'm making as a false. Okay. So if I run this, what will come? So x and y, both condition need to get satisfied. Okay. Then only you will get the output as a true. If x and y, the condition is not get satisfied, you will get false. Both need to get pass. Then only you will get pass. Okay. If any one guy will get fail, both will be fail. This is the condition of AND operator. You got it right? And if you go for, okay, the same I have written here also, right? False. You are going for OR. Now, what is OR? Here, if you see AND, in AND operator, both guy need to get pass, then only you will get the output as a pass. In OR operator, if either one guy will get pass, right? You will get output as a pass. Now I am assigning x equal to false and y equal to false. Now I am printing the result x or y. Okay, if anyone is false, I am getting false. Okay, and I am giving true here. Okay, if anyone is true, I will get true. So the thing is, either or is a operator is kind of like either him or either that one or this one, kind of like that, right? So now we are going for the not operator. If x equal to false, so not in the sense it will not, it will give you only the opposite information. If you are pass, it will give you a fail. If you are fail, it will give you a pass. Okay, I'm assigning x equal to false, but I'm telling not x, I'm getting a true information, right? You guys get good understanding on operators in the Python, right? Arithmetic, logical, and comparison operators. Let's see some simple example, guys. I have created one query for the simple calculator. So I'm just adding a num1 and num2, and I'm getting the input here. I'm just giving 23 for the num1 and 34 for num2, right? So if you see the output, it will do the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor, modulus, and exponential, right? Right, guys? Okay, thank you. Let's see in the next class.